guys, I'm Rasmus, I'm here with Marcel and Mette, and today we are doing the famous TikToker NOAH BECK hairstyle. So, are you up for it?
Yes, let's do it.
Pillow talk, little walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice.
Still
This was the NOAH BECK hairstyle. So Marcel, how do you like it?
I think it's perfect.
And Mette, you did a great job.
Thank you.
And remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle, like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.